In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an Adobe Acrobat. First, you will need to open the file in Adobe Acrobat. This is the initial step and it sets the stage for the rest of the process. When you open Adobe Acrobat, you will see a clean interface with a menu bar at the top. Look for the file you wish to download. You might have received it via email or found it on your computer. Once you locate it, double-click on the file. As it opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the document. You will see the content laid out clearly on your screen. This is important because it ensures you are working with the correct file before proceeding to download it. Once that is done, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This action will open a drop-down list of options related to file management. You will see several choices, but your goal is to find the one that says Save As. This option is crucial because it allows you to save a copy of the open document in a location of your choice. By selecting Save As, you can create a new version of the file, ensuring that your original document remains unchanged. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it keeps your original file intact while allowing you to work with a new copy. Next up, after clicking Save As, a new window will appear on your screen. This window is where you will choose the location to save your file. Common options include downloads or desktop, but you can select any folder that suits your needs. Take a moment to decide where you want to save the file. If you regularly access your files in the Downloads folder, that might be the best choice. Alternatively, saving it to your desktop can make it easy to find later. This step matters because choosing the right location makes it easier for you to access your document in the future. Once you have chosen a location, look for the Save button in the dialog box. After that, click on the Save button to complete the download process. This action confirms your choice and starts the saving process. You may notice a brief loading icon as Adobe Acrobat finalizes the download. This is perfectly normal. It ensures that your file is saved correctly in the selected location. Once the process is complete, you will typically see a confirmation message, or the file will simply appear in the location you chose. You have now successfully downloaded your file in Adobe Acrobat. To verify, navigate to the folder where you saved it. Open that location, and you should see your downloaded file ready for use. This ensures that your changes are saved, and you can now access the document whenever you need. In summary, you have learned how to download a file in Adobe Acrobat by opening the file, using the Save As function, selecting a location, and finally saving it. Each of these steps is essential for managing your documents effectively. Now you can easily download files and keep your work organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.